too often that school has a stink on it, and then the staff unknowingly takes on that stink, and a couple of things happen. One, we don't believe there's any hope because of who we're serving, right? Or two, we don't believe we have the goods to dig ourselves out of the abyss. But every district's got that school. I worked in a high-performing district a few weeks ago, and they even have that school. We always look, it's just part of our human nature to believe that there's got to be that dumping ground, and that school ends up being that way. Is that Tammy Taylor? Tammy Taylor knows what I'm talking about. Tammy Taylor knows what I'm talking about. Dr. Sheikah Houston, she knows we've had these talks. And you got to come in with a vision to move past it. And it's not easy. I maintain that none of this work is all this work is complex. I worked at a super high performing school that I had to convince to go from good to great. Right? And they're wondering, like, why we're at 92%. I'm thinking, well, 8% of your parents don't think your school's great. You got 8% of your kids, and then we looking at the 8%. That's a curious 8%. And then for schools like one I led, it's convincing folks that we can be better based on us, not the kids and where they're from.